The economic consequences of COVID-19 pandemic could push as many as 86 million more children into poverty by the end of 2020, a joint study by Save the Children and UNICEF showed Wednesday. That would bring the total number of children affected by poverty worldwide to 678 million, an increase of 15% over last year. The two aid agencies said in a statement, adding that nearly two-thirds of those children overall live in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. But the pandemic-driven increase is expected to occur mainly in Europe and Central Asia, according to the study, which is based on World Bank and International Monetary Fund projections and population data from some 100 countries. The World Bank said earlier this month that the COVID-19 pandemic threatens to push up to 60 million people into extreme poverty, living on less than $1.90 per day, wiping out the gain made in recent years. The scale and depth of financial hardship among families threatens to roll back years of progress in reducing child poverty and to leave children deprived of essential services, UNICEF Executive Director Hanurata Four said in a statement. With immediate and decisive action, we can prevent and contain the pandemic threat facing the poorest countries and some of the most vulnerable children. Added, Save the Children have or had anger ashen. They are highly vulnerable to even short periods of hunger and malnutrition potentially affecting them for their whole life, she warned. The two organizations called on governments to rapidly expand their social security systems and school meals programs to limit the effects of the pandemic.